What's up, Hustle fam? It's your girl Foxxy here with another video. Yes, so today has been a chill day. I had to do a little bit of running around today. I just left the flea market. I had to go and get some tags done, some logos done for Judy when she comes back. Yeah, see, I'm driving today. I'm driving today. I'm driving Bucky around. We getting around doing what we got to do. We about to hit up this car show though out in Security Mall. They have this show every year. It be pretty good. So I'm about to go hit that up and see what that's about. And y'all know y'all going with me because I tell y'all we are like this. I tell y'all all the time. Y'all don't be believing me. I be trying to take y'all everywhere I go. But yeah, we about to go hit up that show. Today's a chill day, not too much going on. Yesterday was busy, but today is real chill. This is the show I'm going to, and y'all going with me. So I'll check y'all in a minute. Kid is so wavy. Kid is so wavy.
some wave. That Apollo kid is some wave. Apollo kid is some wave. That Apollo kid is some wave. kid is so wavy. Apollo kid is so wavy.
Hey, I'm home, back from everything. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I told you it was gonna be a slight day. It wasn't gonna be nothing major. Car show was pretty cool, from old to new cars, so hope y'all like that. Yeah, I'm home. I just put dinner in the oven, about to get in the shower and relax because eyes are tired. You know, you still gotta take care of home. After you finish with the car stuff, make sure you home happy. You know what I'm saying? You know, mommy duties, wifey duties, daddy duties, husband duties, whatever duties you got, make sure you take care of those, because that makes things harder when you're trying to get out. No, but yeah, so videos are coming up this weekend. It's First 20 on 30s in Carson, Virginia, and guess who's going to be there? Mwah. Judy's coming home this week, so yeah, we about to put on, and y'all are going with me, so make sure y'all be checking out for them videos because it's coming. So yeah, like, subscribe, and comment. Yeah, baby.